Hello, this is Hamsa Talal, and our lesson today is have and has as possession. So, what is the meaning of possession? Mm, okay, possession means when you own something. For example, I have a pen. What is the meaning of this sentence? This means that I have a pen. It's my own. Okay, it's my pen. Okay, so this pen belongs to me. This is the possession. Okay, you own something. Have you got it? Okay. I said I have a pen. Why I said I have, not I has? Yes. Let's see now. We have I, you, they, we. Those subjects take have, while he, she, it take has. For example, I have a ruler. Let's see more examples to make it simple and clear. What is the difference between these two sentences? I space a guitar and he space a guitar. Which sentence I'll put have and which sentence I'm gonna use has? Yes, excellent. I have a guitar, but he has a guitar. Okay, have you got it? Let's see more examples. Goofy space a radio. Goofy here is a character, a cartoon character. Okay, so will it take you? No, we, no, they, no, I, no. Is it a girl or a boy character? It's an animal, so I'm gonna use has. Okay, Goofy has a radio. They space some flowers and a dog. They, yes, excellent. They have some flowers and a dog. What about this example? It space a pillow. This is a monkey. Monkey or animals take it. So it, yes, has a pillow. Excellent. I space a broom. I have or has, yes, excellent. I have a broom. Wow. She space a flying broom. Yes, she have or has, she has. Excellent. Yes, she has a flying broom. The boss space a present for them. The boss is a man. Okay, so a man, I'm talking about a man. So this man takes he or she or it or I or you, we, they. Yes, he. The boss, I can omit the boss and put he. He space a present for them. So the boss has or have, yes, has. I space a present for you. So I have a present for you. We space some hats. We take have. Yes, we have some hats. So the form of the sentence for positive statements is subject plus have or has plus the object. To be more clear, okay, I have a bag. Let's analyze this sentence. I, this is the subject, have or has, a bag is the object, is something that I have, something that is belong to me. So this is the positive form of the sentence. What about the negative form of the sentence? Yes, it's the subject plus don't or doesn't plus have plus the object. For example, I don't have a bag. So I used here don't. Why? Because I have the subject I, you, we, they take don't, while he, she, it take doesn't. So I don't have a bag. What about the question form? Do or does plus the subject plus have plus the object. Do I have a bag? Can you tell me another example? Does she have a bag? Yes, excellent. What else? Does he have a bag? Yes, we use have in the question, whatever is the subject. If the subject is I, you, we, they, we use have, and also if the subject is he, she, it, we use have. When in the question and in the negative form, okay? But in the positive statement, we use has with he and she and it. Have you got it? Let's see some examples to make it more clear. For the positive statement, you have a cat. If you want it a negative, you don't have a cat. What about asking a question? Do you have a cat? Excellent. She has a frog. This is a positive statement. She doesn't have a frog. Does she have a frog? So we notice here that when I'm talking in the positive statement, I said she has, but when I was talking about the negative statement, I said have, and when I was talking about the question form, I used have. Have you got it? Okay, that's our lesson today. Thank you for listening me and see you soon inshallah.